Hi everyone, Morgan here. Today I am making homemade laundry detergent. So I've actually been wanting to do this for a really long time, and the only thing holding me back was this bar of soap. Basically, you need laundry bar soap. Many different types of soaps can work. I've seen people use lots of different types of soaps. There's also Castile bar soap that I wanted to get, but this is really good as well. This was actually at my local hardware store for like buck 50 or something. But anyway, it takes 3 ingredients. It takes a laundry bar soap. You can also do Castile bar soap. Those are the two I recommend. Of course, like I said, there are other bar soaps that you can use. Borax and this washing soda. I got this washing soda from Amazon like a year ago. I'm telling you guys, I meant to do this like a long time ago. But you can also get it. You could find it in local places. I did see this in my local hardware store. In fact, it was placed almost exactly like this on the shelf because there are a lot of rural people here, and you know, that don't have their own washers and stuff like that. So a lot of people do their own laundry, or you can also use this in a washer. It's not just because you don't have a washing machine. You can use this in a washer, absolutely. Yeah, a lot of people like to save money. So let me show you how much of this I use and how much I'll have left over, because this will definitely absolutely save me money. To store it all in, I'm going to store it in a mason jar. Okay, so you want whatever ratio you want to make, like if you want to fill this half full, whatever you want to do, it's going to be 1 part of this soap, grated soap. I have this peeler. You can use a grater. Some people use a food processor. I will not be using a food processor, but this peeler will be fine. People, you know, like, see, it's shaving it into little shaved pieces, which is perfectly acceptable. So a little peeler will be fine. A little like cheese grater or grater, whoops, let's actually keep it in, will work fine as well. All right, so the grating honestly takes the longest part, and I bought this peeler specifically for this, but this whole process I think has maybe taken me less than 5 minutes to grate half of this bar soap. And then this is how much I put in there for that. So now I'm going to put 2 parts of borax and then 2 parts of the washing soap, washing soda. Okay, so we're going to do the borax first. Okay, I'd say that's about 2 parts. So as you can see, this is almost brand new. I think I've used it maybe once, and there's still like a bunch left in it. Okay, now it's time for the washing soda. I'm just make tools specifically for yourself, like that. So like this right here, specifically for this now. All right, I'd say that's about 2 parts, 1 part. Fun little layers there. You can kind of see. There's the soap, the bar soap. There is the borax, and then there's the laundry. So I could definitely fill this up a little bit more, and there again, there's so much of this left. I don't like these cardboard boxes though, so I'm actually going to put this in a Ziploc. All right, I'm going to put the lid back on. This is what we're going to do. We're going to shake it up. It is real shook up, but it looks good. It looks well distributed. It is a beautiful day to do laundry. And I was thinking about it, and we have this shed, and in the winter, if we don't have a washing machine by winter, then I was thinking we're going to string up a line inside of the shed, and on rainy days, of course, you know, string up a line inside the shed and dry it like that. But I love line drying. So even though we had a washer back in Arizona, we kept all of our hand washing stuff. You know, we kept this ringer. This ringer was very expensive, and I was like, even though we have a washer, I just wanted to keep it just in case. I'm really glad I did. We kept the washing board. So we have 2 5-gallon buckets. Time to get going. This will be my washing bucket, rinsing bucket. I'm gonna ring through here, and then it'll go down into the basket, and then it'll go up on the line. When you're doing it by hand, you only need a tiny bit of soap. I mean, even less than that. Like, you only need a little bit, especially because I don't have very much water in here. So just a little bit. It will, for hand washing, this will definitely go a long way. Doing laundry.
Help.
You want to help? There. Take this and you rub. Good girl. Hold on, not done. Almost.
Did she get down by herself?
I guess.
For now.
Here, there you go. Good girl.
That's
So
good.
you just rub it.
I took the one thing. I thought you
There
were
you
going to
go.
leave it alone. Good girl.
Good job. Look at you. You see all that dirty water coming off?
You know we didn't do that with your clothes.
We're doing this with all our dirty clothes.
And then we didn't do that.
Yeah, I'll show you how to do that. It's nice to have help. I didn't even ask her. She just came over and wanted to do it. Right?
Yeah. Do you want to
Yeah.
do it? Go.
Good girl. Okay, dunk it in the water first. Make sure it's nice and soaked. We had kind of a lot of laundry backed up. We won't let it get this bad before, but yeah, we'll definitely do more laundry more often. That's the secret to it. Get out of here. Doing laundry by hand more often is the secret to not taking hours doing, laundry by hand. There you go. Whoa, strong girl. Good job. Whew, it's gonna dry her already.
Yeah. Hey everyone, so we're doing this now and then we're gonna hang them right there. Oh, honey.
Easy activity.
Honey.
The laundry clips. Put the laundry clips into the mason jar. Good job. She helps me. Thank you. We have a laundry triangle going here. At this. Thank you. So I go from there. Thank you. Oops, I dropped it. Sorry. Over here and over there. This won't dry nearly as fast as it did in Arizona. It dried in our clothes would dry in about 10 minutes there. There is, more humidity here, of course, but it's not hot humidity either. And here there's not a lot of wind either. So, and it is sunny today, but it's not like as direct sun. So anyway, I suspect about 24 hours or so it'll take to dry, especially in the summer or cloudy days or, whatever. So, but, it is what it is. All done. Well, for today. We still have laundry to do, but, unless we string up way more line. But this all took me, from there to there to there, about an hour. But, the kids slow down the process a little bit. It's not a bad thing. They want to help, that's fine. We just have to take a little extra time to do things kind of thing. But yeah, so there you go. It's my laundry video. Thanks for watching me do laundry. And I hope you make that DIY laundry soap. Honestly, so easy, and you can make so many more loads with it. The bar soap you will need several more of, because I did use that about a half a bar. So I'm gonna get a bulk in those laundry bars, but the borax and the laundry soap, I can do way more loads, tons more. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. You can use this laundry soap in your dishwasher, in your regular washer, or hand doing it, or whatever you want to do. I'll talk to you later. Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. Bye-bye.